What's crackin', my tech-savvy peeps? Alright folks, get ready for the ultimate tech smackdown. In one corner, we have the Samsung Galaxy S23, the heavyweight champion of Android. And in the other corner, we have the Apple iPhone 14 Pro, the undisputed king of iOS. Who will come out on top? Let's get ready to rumble. In the left corner, we have the sleek and stylish Samsung Galaxy S23. Weighing in at a mere 168 grams, this bad boy is practically lighter than a feather. And get this, it's got Gorilla Glass Victus 2 armor, so even the clumsiest of butterfingered users won't be able to scratch it. And guess what? This bad boy has IP68 water resistance, so it's basically the Aquaman of smartphones. And in the right corner, we have the iPhone 14 Pro, a heavyweight contender. Weighing in at a whopping 206 grams, this bad boy made of glass and stainless steel is tougher than your ex's heart. It's so waterproof, you could take it scuba diving in your bathtub. Just remember, no cannonballs unless you want to start a tsunami. Get ready to have your retinas roasted by the mind-blowing Galaxy S23. Its screen is so bright, it could double as a tanning bed. With a peak brightness of 1750 nits, you'll be squinting like a mole in no time. And let's not forget the fancy schmancy Dynamic AMOLED 2X technology and HDR10 Plus support that'll make your eyes pop out of your head. Hold up, folks. The iPhone 14 Pro is strutting into the arena like a boss, flexing its LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display that's all about that Dolby Vision life. And get this, it's throwing punches with a whopping 2000 nits of brightness. Talk about a knockout. So buckle up and prepare to be blinded by the brilliance. Get ready to have your minds blown by the Galaxy S23. This bad boy is rocking Android 13, so it's like having a futuristic robot in your pocket. And let's not forget about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which makes this phone dance smoother than your grandma at a disco party. Alright folks, hold onto your seats because we've got the iPhone 14 Pro in the house. And let me tell you, it's got the iOS 16 that's so impressive, it'll make your grandma do a backflip. Plus, it's got this crazy A16 Bionic chip, a true beast that never fails to amaze. Let's talk about the epic importance of memory, shall we? The Galaxy S23 comes with more storage options than a shopaholic's closet: 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and a whopping 512 gigabytes. And let's not forget about its 8 gigabytes RAM, which is like having a personal bodyguard for your apps. The iPhone 14 Pro is here to flex its storage muscles. We're talking about options like 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and hold onto your seats, a mind-boggling 1 terabyte of storage. And let's not forget, it's all powered by a whopping 6 gigabytes of RAM. Can you say storage overload? Alright folks, the Galaxy S23 is here, and it's got not one, not two, but 3 cameras. We're talking a whopping 50 megapixels, 10 megapixels, and 12 megapixels. Get ready to say cheese and have your jaw drop with these mind-blowing shots. Move over, Ansel Adams. The iPhone 14 Pro is here to steal your thunder and become the ultimate photography maestro. Get ready to meet the ultimate trio of camera megapixels. We've got the 48 megapixel superstar, the 12 megapixel heartthrob, and the other 12 megapixel cutie. They're here to steal the show and capture your heart. Get ready to snap those selfies like a pro with the Galaxy S23's mind-blowing 12 megapixel front snapper. Say goodbye to bad angles and hello to picture perfection, thanks to its dual pixel PDAF wizardry. The iPhone 14 Pro is here, and it's got a selfie lens that's so powerful, it can see into your soul. With its 12 megapixels and fancy depth sensing SL3D technology, you better make sure you don't blink, or else this phone might just capture your innermost secrets. Get ready to rock out with the Galaxy S23 because it's got stereo speakers that'll blow your mind. With AKG tuning, it's like having a full-blown concert right in your pocket. Who needs tickets when you've got a phone that brings the party? Let's jam. Alright folks, the iPhone 14 Pro. Not only does it have stereo speakers that harmonize like a heavenly choir, but it also takes your audio experience to a whole new level with its fancy 32-bit 384 kHz magic. Prepare to be immersed in sound like never before. Yo, my peeps, don't even think about disconnecting, cause we're about to get lit up in here. The Galaxy S23 comes with Wi-Fi 6E, so you can surf the web at lightning speed. But wait, there's more. With Samsung DeX, it's like having a secret agent desktop in your pocket. Meanwhile, iPhone 14 Pro. This bad boy is not only ultra-wideband compatible, but it also rocks Wi-Fi 6 like a boss. Prepare to be impressed, my friends. Just call me James Bond with Wi-Fi. Things are getting spicy in the conflict with these sizzling new features. The Galaxy S23 comes equipped with an under-display fingerprint sensor, Samsung Pay, and Bixby commands. Say goodbye to those pesky passwords and hello to the future of smartphone wizardry. Guess what? The iPhone 14 Pro is here, and it's got some seriously cool tricks up its sleeve. Apple Pay, Face ID, and wait for it, satellite SOS support. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine having your very own superhero hotline, like Batman's Batphone or Iron Man's Jarvis, ready to swoop in and save the day whenever you need them. The Galaxy S23 comes with a battery that's so powerful, it's practically glued to the phone. And that's not all. With 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, you'll be back to full power in no time. Say goodbye to those pesky low battery warnings and hello to endless scrolling and gaming. Alright folks, get ready to power up your iPhone 14 Pro with its whopping 3,200 mAh non-removable battery. This bad boy can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. It's time to unleash the magical powers of MagSafe. Abracadabra, charging made easy. Get ready to have your minds blown by the Galaxy S23 and its fabulous color options. We've got Phantom Black, Cream, Green, Lavender, Graphite, Lime, and probably even Unicorn Rainbow if you ask nicely. And guess what? This bad boy starts at just $620, which is practically a steal. Hold up, folks. The iPhone 14 Pro is here, and it's bringing the whole rainbow with it. We've got Space Black, Silver, Gold, and even a fancy schmancy deep purple. And guess what? It's gonna cost you a cool $999.99. Get ready to break the bank for some serious smartphone swag. Whoa, that was one epic showdown. These phones were like two gladiators in the tech arena, battling it out with their A-game. Alright folks, it's time for the moment of truth. Drumroll, please. What's the final word on this matter? Spill the beans, spill the tea, spill whatever you want. Just give us your verdict. Team Galaxy or Team iPhone? Which side are you on? Drop a comment down below and make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to never miss a single tech-tastic moment on DigiDuelers.